Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you how to install and use my new EasyLight script for Cinema 4D. This tool lets you instantly create a convenient three-point lighting setup: key, rim, and fill, which automatically face your object and are easily controlled through sliders. Let's start with the installation. Go to your system drive, C, open the Program Files folder, and find your version of Cinema 4D. Then open Library, followed by Scripts. Simply drag the folder with the script into this directory. After restarting Cinema 4D, it will appear in your script list. Now let's see what it can do. When you launch the script, you'll see a simple and intuitive window. Here you can choose the light type, point, spot, sun, or area. Click Create Light, and the script automatically generates a full three-point lighting setup: key light, the main light; rim light, the backlight; fill light, the fill light. Each light automatically targets your object because the script creates a special target null in the center of the scene. This dramatically speeds up the lighting process. No more manual rotation of light sources. In addition, each light type has its own intensity sliders ranging from 0 to 300%. You can fine-tune the brightness of each of the three lights directly from the interface. If all three lights are already created, the script will add an extra one, Light Extra, which you can use to highlight specific areas or details of your model. To keep the script always within reach, open Window, Customization, then Customize Palettes. Find EasyLight in the list and drag it onto any toolbar. Then save your workspace using Save Layout As. Now your script is always available with a single click. You can download the script using the links below.